what you want. I might be what you need.
What an emotion. The very first Cinquecento just landed, and I'm about to take it for a spin on America's electric corridor between LA and Vegas. This is the all-new, all-electric 500e. It's all electric and it's only electric. This is Italy's latest jewel. It took Europe by storm. It became a category leader, and by the way, it also became the most awarded Fiat of all time. So today you can finally order yours and take delivery this spring. Now, like I said, it's in high demand worldwide, so it will be first come, first served, and to make it easier for you, we created this special edition. So here it is. As you can see, it's all red. I mean, red as a color, but red also as an organization.
There's a truth and it's coming clear. I might be what you want.
An organization, a compassionate and ethical charitable organization that partners with some of the world's most iconic brands in order to raise money to support world health and the health of the earth. Arguably, this is a vehicle that aspires to be as ethical as it is appealing, a vehicle of change, a vehicle dedicated to the planet and also to the people who live on it. By the way, just as Cinquecento is a global automotive icon, well, the co-founder of Red is an icon too. I've just got a message, so actually it's Bono. Let's see what he has to say.
We're driving AIDS off the planet. That's right. Gonna drive AIDS off the planet in the Cinquecento with style, because we don't like AIDS. And honk if you're an AIDS activist. Man.
Red is the new green. It makes sense, because every Fiat vehicle sold in America is equipped with more than a navigation system. It comes with a moral compass. You see, when you drive this car, you also drive change. You move the needle of something more meaningful than the gauge of a gas tank. Now, obviously later in 2024, there will be other trims. But for the early adopters, this is the launch edition. So, how do you book yours? Well, you can go to your Fiat store happily, but since I'm still here with my phone, let me show you another way. As Italians, we have an obligation to simplify. It's in Italy's DNA to bring simplicity, optimism, beauty. So you see, with the new 500e, we deliver more than a new Fiat. We deliver a double win. A win for the planet and a win for you. I mean, this car has a small footprint for the environment, but also for your driveway.
It's coming clear. I might be what you want.
Look, those of you who are already sold on EVs are going to love it, because 500e makes EV driving feel nimble and fun and clever like never before. But my core audience are those of you who don't have an EV in your driveway, at least not yet. To you, I want to say we are going to help you switch. You live in a city or in a suburb? Well, we have the solution for you. We have the car and the charging. 500e comes with two possible charging solutions, both included in the price. You have a driveway or a garage? I give you an L2 charging wall box. You don't? I give you charging credits for you to charge across the country. Look, I am absolutely convinced that EV adoption should start here, should start from the cities. Cities need cleaner transportation, cities need electric. And look, this is a beauty. Cities and electric are a match made in heaven. I mean, in city usage, you don't need to worry about range anxiety. You actually recharge your battery every time you brake. As an example, this Fiat delivers almost 150 miles in mixed cycle, but the number goes up in pure city driving. So this is the first win. Going further, while being cleaner. And the second win, as I said before, this one is for you. You are going to feel so good. The torque, the driving sensations. This car is an endless fun to drive. After all, the first use of electricity was to brighten the nights of the world. Well, this Fiat uses electricity to brighten our days as well. Because it's a Fiat, so it's not just made of rubber and plastic and glass and metal. No, it is made of Italy. It's committed to sending a smile, a current of pleasure through drivers, passengers, even passers-by. It is committed to making a difference, to showing you that electric city cars might be exactly what you need. And if so, trust me, this little Fiat will be exactly the one you want.
I might be what you want.